In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Shein account or sign out of the Shein app. Whether you're looking to switch accounts or simply secure your account by logging out, I'll guide you through the process with ease. First things first, go ahead and open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you wish to sign out from. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a Me icon. Go ahead and tap on that icon to access your personal account settings. Next, shift your focus to the top right of the screen. You should see a settings gear icon, often depicted as a small cogwheel. This icon holds the key to various settings options within the app, including the one we're looking to find today. Tap on the settings gear to proceed further into the settings menu. As you navigate through these options, go ahead and scroll down the list. Keep an eye out for terms like log out or sign out. The wording might differ slightly based on the version of the app you're using or updates that have been implemented, but both mean the same thing. You're on your way to logging out. Once you've located the log out or sign out option, tap on it. A confirmation prompt will likely appear to ensure that logging out is indeed what you wish to do. This is a handy feature as it prevents accidental logouts and ensures that your decision is intentional. When the prompt appears, go ahead and tap confirm. And that's it. You are now logged out of your Shein account. At this point, you should return to the app's main login page, where you have the flexibility to either switch to a different account or exit the app altogether. Logging out periodically is a great way to keep your personal information safe, especially if you're using a shared device. It's a simple yet effective habit that can really bolster your digital security. In conclusion, logging out of the Shein app is a straightforward process, one that ensures your accounts are kept secure and manageable. I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if there are other app tutorials you'd like to see. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.